अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं स्वीट एंड टैंगी चिकन। तो ये बहुत आसान सा रेसिपी है। यू कैन मेक इट वेरी फास्ट एंड इट गोज़ वेल विद कोकोनट राइस, रेगुलर राइस, पराठा, चपाती। टैंगी चिकन बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए हाफ़ टी स्पून मस्टर्ड सीड्स, क्वार्टर टी स्पून मेथी सीड्स, अ फ्यू करी लीव्स, 1 teaspoon रेड चिली पाउडर, 3/4 teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon haldi, 1 teaspoon ज़ीरा पाउडर and 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Oil चाहिए and then we need 2 tomatoes chopped. I've taken 250 grams of chicken, 2 capsicums cut into cubes and 4 medium-sized onions cut into cubes and then separated. साथ में we need 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Heat a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add the mustard seeds and the methi seeds first. When the mustard seeds splutter, add the curry leaves and saute. Add the garlic paste, mix well. Now add the spice powders and the salt. Keep on low flame and saute for a few seconds before adding the tomatoes. Saute the tomatoes also on low flame till they become soft. Now add the chicken and mix well. Cook on low flame till the chicken changes color. Keep stirring in between. Now add half a cup of water. Cover and cook on medium flame till the chicken is done. 10 मिनट हो गया। चलो देखते हैं चिकन पक गया या नहीं। Now add the onions and the capsicum. Mix well. Cover and cook on medium flame for another 5 minutes. 5 minute हो गया है। Let's check the masala. Everything is nicely done. So we just have to add the last 2 ingredients. Let's add them 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix well. Cover and leave on sim for 5 minutes. 5 minute हो गए। The masala tangy chicken is looking very tasty and very colorful. बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मैंने बहुत कम ग्रेवी छोड़ा है इसमें because we are eating it as an accompaniment to coconut rice. तो इतना काफ़ी है। If you want the gravy a little more, you can add, instead of half cup, you can add 1 cup of water. Tangy chicken is now ready. Do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always in the description box. Thank you for watching.